Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. I'm Feb, and today I'm doing something completely different for this channel. So normally I focus on Skyrim, Fallout 4, and lately I did a random geek type of video about my room of requirement. And so I'm going to do a little series of these. They're just going to be random magical sort of things. And so talking of magical, today we're doing an unboxing. This is the first time in my life I've ever bought a mystery box. I'll show you the size of this parcel. It's mad. The poor postman has just had to come out on the rainiest, rottenest day today. So I'm going to take off the outer packaging and I'll just show you the website that I bought this from in case you're interested. Okay, so as you can see, they have an online shop. It looks super charming, doesn't it? And very Harry Potter themed. So if you go into the shop, you'll see they've got all sorts of exciting things for sale. What drew me to it was this. It's their collection boxes. And I did buy this Leaping Toadstool kit. So if you see this turning up in my background, well, it will do if I do a good job. If I do a terrible job, then we'll never speak of it again. Okay, so I ordered one of these box of curiosities, and as you can see, you can go from 20 quid. Wow, you can go up to 100. I didn't even realise that. Okay, well, now I feel like a cheapskate because I only got 40 quid's worth. And I did stick with the kind of red theme, so I'm reckoning Gryffindor, perhaps, we'll see. And like I say, 40 quid. So we'll see what comes with it. But you can pause the video if you'd like to read all the details here. And I'm digging this. Look at that stamp. Oh my God. I super hope that I get a stamp like that. Okay, so that's what it's about. Let's open this thing up. I'm super excited. Okay, before we start, just to let you know, my original box, my original order that I made for this went missing in the post. So I sent an email to them and they came back to me literally the next day. Couldn't be nicer, actually. Lovely fella called Scott. And they've sent out this replacement package. And also because of the delay, they put in a little extra thing here. So we'll be opening that up. Here's the Create Your Own Leaping Toadstools. I can't wait to try this. That is going to be so much fun. I mean, just look at this thing. It's gorgeous. And the actual box is underneath, but there's an actual something else here sitting on the top. I don't know what that is. It looks like a picture of a Patronus with a wizard in the wood. It's on cardboard, so that's nice. I could frame that or whatever. Really super nice thing to have. And here's the box. Look at that. It's exactly like the website. It's round the wrong way, sorry. Loving the little owl stamp. So I'll be saving that. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I'll be saving it. Okay, let me get the wrapping off and then we'll get a close-up look at what's inside. Okay, first things first. This was loose on top of the box. So let's see what we've got. It sounds clinky. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, we have a Quibbler. Oh, that's so cute. Wow. Quibbler Pandemonium at the Ministry. Okay, so this is like a magazine cover, and you can use it as a, what do you call it? Key ring. God, I've got the price on the back of these. Oh my God, how cute. Okay, so we've got Harry hanging off his broomstick. That is so cool. I'm very happy to have this pin. I've got a collection of Harry Potter pins. Shut up. That's the thing about mystery boxes though, isn't it? I mean, these people don't know when you place your order, you might be a 12-year-old boy using your dad's credit card, or you might be a middle-aged woman like me. You just don't know, do you, what you're gonna get? Okay, those are super cool. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, so everything in here is wrapped in this rather fabulous tissue paper, which I'll be upcycling. Get that out of the way. And right on the top, we have got another purple bag, which says apology gift. Okay. Rattle. Oh my God. Okay. All right. Oh, well, this is very sweet treats we've got here. Okay. Oh my God, a mandrake. I love that. So we've got cookies. That one's got a little bit broken, but yeah, it all gets mashed up, doesn't it? Oh, this is really nice. Okay, cool. Oh dear, let's put those away. I don't want to eat them right now. I'll unwrap everything and, just show you the actual items. Okay, so we have Tranquility Tonic for sleep deprivation. All right, so I'm guessing this is bath salts, yeah? Cool. Is this glass? No, it's plastic, but it's nice. Let's have a sniff of it. Oh my God. Okay. I wish we had smell-o-vision. That is really nice. I will be definitely using that. Sodium chloride, blah, blah, blah. Okay. It smells a bit like lavender. And it's got thyme and lemon and all sorts in it. Okay. Happy days. See what else we got? Okay, next we have Mandrake Essence, which is a herbology candle. Balsam and cedar. What a beautiful container this is. Wow. I feel like I'm being spoilt. Oh, look at that. Oh, okay, that smells absolutely awesome. I would be putting this behind me. In fact, I'm right at the end of a candle that I'm on at the moment. So that is perfect. And I think something that a lot of people would appreciate. What on earth is this? Okay, we have Spellbound Butterscotch Beer. Spin 3 times for low-calorie magic, it says. Made in Britain and only 66 calories, does that say? Wow. Okay. Look how pretty. This, when I first picked it up, oh yeah, look. Okay. This bottle's got edible luster inside. Oh my God. Okay, so my next random geek video is going to be Skyrim potion making, and I've taught myself how to do these. So look out for that. Okay, I love that, and I love butterscotch. It's my absolute favorite flavor of everything. So yeah. Actually, now I'm a bit scared because I remember seeing on their website they had some sweets that were like super sour, the sourest sweets in the world. So I really seriously hope we don't get those. I don't understand kids that I just don't understand sour sweets at all. I think I'm too old. Give me a Werther's original. All right, so we got the Great Lake Mermaid Tears. Oh, look at this beautiful little potion. That is cute. And also has luster inside it. That is going to look so pretty on my potion shelf, which doesn't exist yet, but it will do after the next video. That is so cute. Okay, I'm thrilled with that. Diddy little darling bottle. Oh, and we have another one. Okay, we've got Amortentia, the most powerful love potion in the world, except it's not so much a potion as the ingredients for a potion. As you see here, it's got lavender, it's got thistle, very Scottish. It's got rose leaves and all sorts going on in there. Oh, look at the pretty little flower charm on that. Okay, that's lovely. And this is so peculiar that it would have this on it. Bear with me 1 second. Okay, I can't find it, but I just bought some of this stuff to wrap one of my own ingredients bottles with for when I do the Skyrim ingredients. So yeah, how about that? Great minds. That is so cute. Okay, let's see what else we got. Ooh, okay. Already I am loving this. This is buttery beer flavour syrup. Create your own buttery beer at home. Really? Okay, what does it say? So it's vegan. And yeah. Wow, £8 worth? Okay, it's for many uses, depending on how sweet you enjoy your magical drinks. Put it into hot milk for an original hot buttery beer, or into hot chocolate. Oh, don't forget to top it off with cream. All right, I love that. Let's just have a... I've got to try it, right? There we go. It's like a shampoo bottle. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my God. Okay, favorite product so far, without a doubt. Oh my God. No, I'm not going to be seen licking it off of my mouse mat. All right, that's delicious in every way. Delightful. Okay. I could drink it straight from the thing. Sticky fingers. Okay, next we have two little items that I've just pulled out. This one is another key ring, and we have a Gryffindor lion. It's a prefect badge, courage, bravery, and determination. Very jolly colours. And then we have this always. And look at the little Patronus there. Can you see that? That is adorable. Okay, these pins are terrific. I'm going to be putting them up in about 5 minutes after this video ends. Oh, goody. We have what looks like another potion, but actually it's bubble bath. And isn't that a beautiful bottle? As soon as I finish using this, which obviously I will, I am a bath girl, much prefer a bath to a shower, then I'll be using this bottle again. I like that they've left a little flat spot for your label, and it's quite posh, isn't it? I wonder what this is going to smell like. I don't want to open it up right now. It just says bubble bath on the bottom. But yeah, fairy tears. That's what flavour it is. Okay, next is something kind of random, but also kind of fabulous. We have a book. It's a hardback, Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson. I have this already. My mum, it was my mum's book that I inherited all her books. And so, yeah, this book, this is wonderful for me. Absolutely wonderful. It looks brand new. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum on the back. And it's beautiful. It's going to look amazing on my bookshelves. Look at that. Oh, I'm kind of touched, and that's lovely. Love that we have a book. Okay, next we have something interesting. So these are enchanted wax melt bars, and it's pumpkin juice flavour. Rich, creamy, pumpkin spiced with lashings of cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, ginger, and a delicious and warm scent. Fab. I happen to have one of those melt things. God knows where it is. I've got one somewhere though. And I will dig it out to use this, because it actually looks like a chocolate bar, which is what I thought it was at first. I'm kind of glad that it isn't, what with the cookies and everything, you know? Okay, I'm almost at the bottom of the box, and we have, oh, thank God, beans of every flavour. The Lonely Broomsticks, beans of every flavour. I'm so glad it is these and not the sour things. You can, by the way, on the website, you can put in a little note with any preferences or whatever that you might have. I so should have done that, but I didn't. But look, the ratio of white, my favourite flavours are the red ones and the white ones. The ratio is pretty good. They are big beans, right? They are huge beans. I would compare it to the jelly beans that I had in my owl the other day, but I ate them all. And that's actually full of jelly babies right now. Oh, I'm thrilled with this. And what a cool label this has. Very nice. All right, and then the very last thing, I need to clear some space here, is this, which is a lovely picture. It's also cardboard. Like the Patronus picture, and isn't that nice? If you're a Gryffindor, I mean, I imagine if I'd wanted, if I'd put green, I'd be looking at a Slytherin picture right now. I love this. That is really super nice. I will find somewhere for it. That is excellent. I imagine it's Godric Gryffindor's sword. And yeah, how nice. Well, guys, I don't know, 40 quid's worth. I think, I mean, I'm not going to sit and tot all this up, because I know already that, I've more than got my money's worth here. I am particularly happy with my favourite items would probably be, I mean, this, for sure. I am excited to try the Butterbeer, though. The Spellbound Butterscotch beer. I can't help thinking that that's going to be amazing. And don't expect, this might well turn up in a future potions video. Also the candle. I am delighted to have the candle and all the pins and basically everything. These little potion bottles, super cute. What a successful mystery box. For my first time, I am delighted with it. All right, well, I'm going to call that the end of the video. Do let me know which was your favourite item. Have you ever bought one of these before, and what was your experience? And take care and stay safe, everybody. I will see you soon for the next one.